اس کو دیکھ لیجیے. صرف میں ایک لفظ کہنا چاہ رہا ہوں, وہ ہے اسموگ. فوکس مسٹ بی ٹو کنٹرول اسموگ. ایئر کوالٹی مینجمنٹ. Smog is a type of air pollution caused by a combination of smoke and fog. The term smog was first coined in the early 20th century to describe the hazy fog-like conditions that occurred in urban areas, particularly in London. ये वहाँ से निकला था लफ्ज़. Smog is formed when pollutants from vehicles, industrial activities and other sources react with sunlight, water, vapor and other atmosphere conditions. This can lead to the creation of ground level ozone, particulate matter and other hazardous air pollutants. Smoke can cause a range of health problems including respiratory issues such as asthma, bronchitis, cardiovascular diseases, lung damage, eye and skin irritation. Smoke can also reduce visibility, damage crops and affect the overall quality of life. There are two main types of smoke. Sulfurous smoke caused by the burning of fossil fuels, particularly coal and oil. Second, the photochemical smoke formed through the interaction of sunlight, nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compounds, VOC. We call it VOC. But एक लाइन और है, मैं बता दूं आपको. Emphasis should be to control smoke and air quality as very large number of cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles use petrol, diesel, plants running on coal, dangerous carbon, so that living beings could get clean air, climate residence for healthy living and improvement of agriculture, forest and nutrition. KP's forest serve as a carbon of sink, removing half of Pakistan's carbon emissions. The Indus River, Pakistan's lifeline, is now the world's second most plastic polluted river. Air pollution causes 128,000 deaths annually, reducing life expectancy to 4 to 5 years and costing economy billions. ये देखिए मैंने इसमें लिख दिया है, ये अगर आप देखें उनके पास है, ये ख़त्म ही था, लास्ट लाइन थी.